Hi there, everyone. Our next presentation is presented by Bob Preston from LexAble. Just to let everyone know, the chat's been disabled, so you won't be able to post any messages. And if anyone wishes to tweet, then the hashtag is ASLTech20, which is ASLTECH20. So thanks, and over to you, Bob. Yes, it's your Word document.
Fantastic. Sorry about that, people. amateur setup problems. Yeah, so my email address is there, bob.preston@lexable.com. I'm going to talk today about Global Tasks, our new task management software. Because I've only got 15 minutes, I can't go through the development journey we took to get to where we are now. So if anybody wants any more information, or if you'd like to ask for an evaluation copy, drop me an email or contact the guys at Core Scotland. They'll put you in touch with me and I can organise a license up for you. So fingers crossed now, I'm going to Firefox and you can now see the Global Tasks window. So we've got some sayings that we have put together for Global Tasks. The first one we say is you can see the big picture. Now, what that means is you can scroll out. These are all your projects and tasks. So you can see the big picture. You can actually see every task, every project you've got on one page. So you know your entire workload for the term, for the year, for the semester, for the project. It's all there on one page. We also say you can hide the noise. So let's say I'm a student studying politics and history. I might have a politics essay due in 2 weeks' time. I've got a history essay due at the end of this week. So what I could do is I could go and hide politics for a couple of weeks to take it out of my vision, hide the noise, or I can click on history and all I need to do then is concentrate on history. I can take that a little bit further and I can click on one of the tasks, research, and I can put all the information I need to help me complete that part of the project. Then underneath, I've got the opportunity to put subtasks. So I put read Churchill Walking with Destiny, read Normandy D-Day, and visit the Royal Air Force Museum in Cosford. So I can put all my subtasks there to help me complete that part of the project. We are just doing an update at the moment, and we're going to make it possible for you to put links in there for internet pages or links for files on your computer, and also bring pictures in for a pictorial prompt. So we're working on that at the moment. As soon as it's available, it'll come out here. Now, the thing to mention with this is it's an app, not a program. So you don't install it, you just access it with your browsers. I'm using Firefox. It'll work with Chrome, it'll work with Safari, and it'll also work with Microsoft. I think it's Edge, their new browser. It doesn't like Internet Explorer. But Edge is fine. And because it's an app, it looks identical on anything you use. You can use it on PCs, Macs, and you can also use it on Chromebooks. The nice thing with Global Tasks as well is it will go onto your phones as well. So you've got it with you all the time. And when you make a change with the phone, it'll update your server, and then you'll get the update on computer when they sync. So it's absolutely brilliant having it on the go as well. It's with you 24/7. I'll just run through a few of the features. If I wanted to start module 11 to stand out, I can click on it, scroll down to the color bar, and then I can change it to whatever color I want. And I can also make that task larger so that it really does stand out. And if I've made a mistake, I've got an undo button, and that will put it back to how it is. I've got a to-do list. Now, if I click on the to-do list, first of all, it gives me my top 3 priorities. Proofread. We've also included the opportunity to put organise home university life as well. We think it's just as important they keep that part of their life under control. And then I've put revision summaries. I've got my next 5 priorities and then everything else after. If I want to change my priority list, summaries is 3rd, go to overview, choose what I want, and I'll go of Age of Crusades, find the prioritize button, find it on the list, and then move it to wherever I want. I'll put that 3rd. Then when I go back to my to-do list, straight away you can see Age of Crusades is there. And this will also be available on the phone. I've got due dates. Oh, a few have popped up since yesterday. Now, I'm not a naughty boy. It's just the fact I never complete my projects. I'm showing these over and over again. But I'll go and show you how you can get rid of the overdue ones. There was only 2 there yesterday. They've all popped up. So I've got 2 today, proofreading and dog sitting again in my home life. I've got 3 of work tomorrow, 1 later this week, and then I've got 6 next week. So I can have a peak Friday, and it's not a complete surprise when I open up my workload for Monday morning. If I've got an overdue, I do apologise about this. Click on the overdue task, click on the calendar, choose whatever date you want it to pop up. We'll put this July the 15th. And also what you can do is you can set notifications to pop up on your phone. You have to enable notifications on your phone. So you can either set it in relation to the due date, i.e. so many weeks, days or before, or you can put the exact date and time and you'll get your reminder pop up on your phone. I'll just show you another one, how quick it is. So I want to put that for July, find the date. It's that quick to get rid of your overdue. We had some comments about the dark background. So what we've done is we've made a light background. Now I will warn you, it's a little bright. If you're light sensitive, look away or put your sunglasses on. But the nice thing is, if you're using a piece of software with overlays, you could put your violet, your cream, your ivory overlay over and get to the colour you want. I prefer dark, so we'll go back to that. Sorry. To create a new project, there's a button here, Add Task. We are going to change that wording. And if I wanted to put, I've joined the drama group at university, so I'd like to put a project there, drama group. So Add Task. I want to create a project, and I don't want a parent name because I want drama group to be the name. So type drama group. Apologies, I can't type very well. And we click Add. And then that should give me my project. To put tasks in here, all I do is add task. Now we need a cast for the play. It's going to be a task in drama group. We need costumes for the actors. And again, task in drama group. And we also need rehearsals. Now I can't spell rehearsals, so I let Global Autocorrect correct that for me. Global Autocorrect works in here, as does dictation with Dragon and reading it back with Claro and text help. Now rehearsals are 2 weeks down the road. I don't want them to distract at the moment, so I can go to the hide button, and then what I can do is I can choose the date I want it to pop back up on. So we'll just say the 8th. That'll do. And now it's gone, so it's not distracting me. If I want to see what I've got hidden, all I've got to do is click on that hidden button. And then what it will do is it'll show me anything hidden, faint. And if I want to get that back, all I've got to do is click on the show button, and then I've got it back. So it's great to hide things to get them out of your vision, but they're not lost to you. You can always check on what you've got hidden. I'm going to quickly connect my phone to the screen. So I'm hoping this screen now. And it's not working. Worked just before when I tried it. Never work with children, animals and computers. Ah, there you go. So I've connected my phone up with a cable just so you can see the screen. Now the first thing it does is validates the license, then it loads up. Now I've got everything on there on my phone as I've got on the computer.
Sorry, Bob, are we supposed to be able to see your telephone screen at all?
Right, okay. Rather than mess about and waste time, I'll cancel the part. But you can get it on your telephone as well. Again, if you want to see that, contact me and we can go through to a later date. So back to this one then. If I've changed my mind about the drama group, my exams are looming and I want to get rid of them, click on the edit button. and I can then delete that. Now, if you delete it, it's gone forever. However, if, say, you've done your shopping, you want to complete that part of the task, you click the complete button, and that's not deleted, it's just put on the back burner. If you want to see what completed work you've got, you might want to report off to SAS or a training report to the company. All you've got to do is click on the completed button, and there it is, it's faint. So again, click on that button there, and you've got all your information back to hand. So what we've tried to do is make it very, very comprehensive, but with a simple overface, and I think we have managed that. We've got some nice comments from students already using it. We've made some changes since we first released it, and we've got some more changes in the pipeline. Another thing we added was something that we call Intercom, and it's down here. So if your student has a question, all they've got to do is click on Intercom. My colleague Katri is on duty. Send a message to Katri. She'll either treat it as a live conversation if she's there, otherwise you'll treat it as a message. And we've have had some great comments from students. If you do ask for a copy, this is the one that I'll send out to you, not for retail use, but I've just got time to show you this. What we can do is you can then open up what we call demo mode. Now what we've done is we've populated this for you. You can go in and be as vicious as you want to show the students how it works. Change the colors, make it larger, create a new project. So we call this one work, and it's a project. So you can do all of that, change it to the light background, and then when you've finished, sorry, it's a pop-up window in its way. And then when you've finished, reset data, and it goes back exactly as it was when you first got it out of the tin. So that's brilliant to show a student. Reset the data, and it's ready for the next one. And also, there's a little 3-minute film there that goes through all of the functions or a lot of the facilities, and you can see there it's on the phone. It works on both Android and Apple phone, and the phones will work offline. So if you can't access your computer, you can always use your phone, and then when you get a phone signal, they will sync. And I really do think that's my 15 minutes up.